Today I'm going to show you how to boil the perfect egg, one that is easy to peel and delivers the exact yolk consistency you are looking for every time. Whether you like soft-boiled or hard-boiled or something in between, this video is for you. The ideal egg to start with is a couple days old and is allowed to get to room temperature before boiling it. Start your pot of water with a volume that will cover the eggs with about an inch of water when they're dropped in. Before putting the eggs in, get it up to a rolling boil. Then, just as you are ready to set the eggs in with either a slotted spoon or a ladle so we don't break them on the bottom of the pot, set an egg timer for your desired yolk consistency. I'll list the times and the consistency in the description below. Once you hit the exact time, quickly remove the egg and immerse it in an ice bath until it is thoroughly cooled. The results go a little something like this. A 6-minute boil will give you a liquid yolk. An 8-minute boil will give you a solid outer yolk and a creamy center. 10 minutes will be in between soft and hard. 12 minutes is a tender hard-boiled egg and is usually everybody's favorite. 14 minutes is a traditional hard-boiled egg, but without overcooking it. My favorite is a 9-minute egg, and you can play around with the timing as you see fit. Once you get it to where you like it, lock it in, and this process will never let you down. Now, I raise chickens for eggs because eggs are the perfect superfood. They're healthy and nutritious, especially when compared to conventionally produced eggs. They're an excellent source of protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, and can be a valuable addition to a balanced diet. Chickens that are allowed to free roam, free range, and eat a variety of food in their diet, have a variety of things in their diet, produce eggs that are higher in omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are essential for brain function, heart health, and reducing inflammation in the body. Farm fresh eggs have more vitamins and minerals and are especially higher in the vitamins A, E, and D, as well as calcium and potassium. If cholesterol is a concern, some studies suggest that farm fresh eggs may contain less cholesterol than conventional eggs, and they are also free of antibiotics and hormones. Hey, that is it for me today. Remember, friends, shop local, buy local, support small-time farmers and markets. It is the best food on the planet. Take care, everybody. I am out. I'll see you next time. Before we take off today, here's a reminder to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It helps small-time content creators like myself in so many ways. Support my sponsors by visiting the links in the description. I've included links to any products mentioned or used. My artwork and other creative projects are available at robbshop.com. That is ROBBSHOPP.com. And remember, friends, there are no ordinary days. Make this one outstanding. Do something excellent for yourself and for someone else. I am out.